Hi everyone, it's Dar and welcome to my channel. Please excuse the bare floor. This house is over 100 years old, so the floors are kind of scratchy. I normally put everything on a lap blanket or a baby blanket or something, but this thing is too heavy to try to lift. That's why it's on the floor. It's going to stay on the floor underneath my table, because if I put it on top of my table, it's going to break the table. And it's too dirty. So this is going to be a project for me to try to clean up. Now, everything about like the ribbon, it's kind of sort of dry. It did type out a little bit of something, but it's very dry. And if I can't find these little things here, the ribbons, then I know that they've got like a universal ribbon on eBay, and I can just take the old ribbon off of these reels and then somehow fix the new ribbon inside and just roll it up and then hook it to the other one and put it in here and give that a try. I could tap most of these, but the one that gets stuck that I know of is the X. And since I'm not going to really use X all that much, I'm not really going to worry about it. But the rest of these I'll do pretty well. I don't know what, oh, this is, oh, backspace, okay. I'm like tapping it wondering why it's not doing things. And that'll erase it. So I really love it. I really do. But I was having a hard time trying to find exactly how old it is, because it's a Royal typewriter, but I'm not really sure when it was made. All I can figure out is that it was between 1900 or 1906, because that's when the first Royal came out, was 1906, to maybe 1925, and that's just a guess. So, but that's all that I found at the flea market on the outside. But when we walked over to the Hartville kitchen and gift shop, I did find some cute things in the gift shop. I've got these, let me see if I can turn the flash off. It's these cute little donut pins with glitter in them. And they don't really shake, so they're just, you know, like solid in there. But they have like rainbow colors. And then I found this cute little dragon. It reminds me of like maybe a Pokemon character. And then my boyfriend pointed out one that bends that had a shark on it, but I've already given it to my nephew and my sister-in-law to use for his school, which I thought these were cute. Let me see if I can get these to work and what it would look like. Okay, right now it's like a blue, you know, like a bluish green, and then it'll go to a green. So that's cute. I'm gonna use those for my crafts. And then my sister-in-law gave me a pack of these wet sweeper cloth refills. Y'all, these things are awesome. You find these at the Dollar Tree, and they really do clean up the floor nice, and you can put them on your Swiffer. I mean, for $1.25, and these things work great. I'm going to try to clean up some of the dust and everything with these, but I might have to get like some WD-40 or something like that to kind of like either remove rust or get things working. So this is definitely going to be a project, because I'd like to maybe do some videos where I'm typing. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have had a wonderful weekend, holiday weekend, and I hope you guys are all being safe out there.